Hey, Stephen J. Davis coming to you again. It's September the 1st, 2019. I'm here at home in Huntington, West Virginia. Wrote a little song that I want to get out to you. I actually wrote the chorus many years ago. Never wrote the lyrics till yesterday and got them in about 30 minutes. That's kind of the way it goes sometimes for me. I think a lot of people have it just kind of come to them in a hurry, and if they don't write it down, they don't get them. So I took my phone and I used my notes, part of my phone, my iPhone, to write them down on, so I would have them. And since I've printed them and got them out here where I can read them and look at them, because you have to forgive me, I got to read them a little bit because the lyrics I don't know as well as the chorus, of course. So put the melody with it this morning. I want to put it out there and let you tell me what you think. This is just me and a guitar. There's no sound, no mics, no amplifier, no nothing. This is just me and a guitar and an iPhone and you. So we'll put this out on Facebook and YouTube and the normal places, and you can give me some feedback on it. I'd appreciate it. Feel free to share it too, by the way. Just share it out and let's get it out there. And if people like it, you know, never know, maybe somebody will actually want to do a recording on it, and we can get back to them on that too. So it's called "It's Always Raining in My Heart." So here we go. Let's see what you think. Appreciate it. So long ago you left me, standing out in the pouring rain, looking down that long wet highway, knowing that I won't see you again. It's always raining in my heart, never knowing just where to start. It's always raining in my heart, keeping my love torn apart. Love always seems to come so fast. Somehow for me it never seems to last. How long must I shield my heart, just giving it out part by part? It's always raining in my heart, never knowing just where to start. It's always raining in my heart, keeping my love torn apart. Please let me find a love so real, one that has no cards to deal. Let me fall to the bottom of her soul, put her in my heart to always hold. It's always raining in my heart, never knowing just where to start. It's always raining in my heart, keeping my love torn apart. It's always raining in my heart. Thank you. Well, let me know what you think. I really appreciate that. Stephen J. Davis, Huntington, West Virginia. Thanks.